and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 6 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete my library course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. I can do all online courses: Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Excel. If you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. And please reach me out for your other courses like my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. If you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will deal for this complete my library course. I will do your R simulation training, R simulation exam, R cumulative assessment, and capstone assessment, and final exam with A plus grade. So we will click on Excel chapter 6 simulation exam, click on continue button. I will handle each and everything myself. You will be free from this course. Just reach me on my WhatsApp and email and contact me for your course help. Click on launch button. So we will moving on question number 1. Create range names for cell B4, B5, B6 and B7 based on the name located in A4, A5 and A6 and A7. Okay, we will create range names for cell B4 to B7. Okay, we will go to the formulas tab in the define name group, click on create from selection. Okay, left column and click on OK button. So question number 2, use the name manager to delete the net income name range. Okay, we will go to the formulas tab in the define names group, click on name manager button. We will delete the net income name range. We will select net income range and we will simply delete button. Click on delete button. Are you sure you want to delete the name net income? Click on OK button. Yes, and close this. So question is completed. The next question is question number 3. Replace the cell references in the function located in cell B10 with the appropriate name ranges. Replace the cell references in cell B10. Okay. In the function located in cell B10 with the appropriate name range. Fixed cost plus into variable per cost multiplying by unit output. Okay. Question is completed. So the next question is question number 4 of this exam. Create a new worksheet named name range. Okay, we will create a new worksheet. The worksheet name is name range. Right click on this plus sign. So right click on this sheet 1 and click on rename button. We will rename this sheet as name range. Name range. Okay, type range names in cell A1. We will click on cell A1 and we will type range name. RANGE range name. Okay, type location in cell B1. Click on cell B1 and we will type location. So insert a list of range names used in formulas in the workbook starting in cell A2. Go to the formulas tab in the define names group. Click on use in formulas. Click on paste formulas and click on paste list button. So auto fit the width of column A and B. Select column A and B. Go to the home tab. In the editing group, go to the cell group, click on format button and click on auto fit column width button. Okay, I have done 4 questions of this exam so far. Question number 5 is that beginning in cell C14 of the budget analysis worksheet, complete the series of substitution values ranging from 450 to 1200 in increments of 150 horizontally across row 14. Okay, we will click on cell C14 and go to the home tab in the editing group, click on fill button. So click on series. Okay, step value is 150 and stop value is 1200. Okay, and click on row checkbox and click on OK button. So this question is done. The next question is question number 6. In question number 6, insert a reference to the sales revenue in column B in cell B15. Click on cell B15 and press is equal to, we will insert a reference to the sales revenue. Click on sales revenue. Okay, sales revenue is here. Click on cell B9 and press enter. So insert a reference to the expenses in cell B16. Click on cell B16, press is equal to and insert a reference to the expenses, and we will click on cell B10, press is equal to in cell B16 and then click on cell B10 and press enter. Insert a reference to the operating income from column B in cell B17. Click on cell B17, press is equal to and click on operating income and press enter. So question is done. I have done 6 questions of this exam so far. Now I am going to do question number 7. Create one variable data table for the range B14 to H17 using the unit output from column B as the row input cell. Okay, create one variable data table for the range B14 to H17 using the unit output from column B as the row input cell. We will select this range B14 to H17. Okay, so we will go to the data tab. Go to the data tab in the data tools group. In the forecast group, click on what if analysis button. Click on data table. So row input using the unit output from column B as row input cell. Click on column input cell and we will select B6 unit output. Okay, click on OK button. So we'll click on OK button. 1 second. Column row input cell. Unit output from column B as the row input cell. We will click on row input cell box and we will click on unit output cell. Unit output cell is here. Cell B6. Click on OK button. So data table is completed. 7 question is completed. So the question number 8 of this exam is here. Apply the accounting number format to the range C15 to H17. We will select this range first, C15 to H17. Okay, C15 to H17. We will select this range first. So we will go to the Home tab. In the number group, we will apply accounting number format. Apply a custom number format to cell B15 to display sales revenue. We will click on cell B15. Okay, go to the Home tab. In the number group, open number dialog box. Go to the custom. Okay, go to the general. We will remove this general. In the inverted commas, we will type sales revenue. Okay, sales revenue. Okay, close in inverted commas. So click on OK button. So apply a custom number format to the cell B16 to display expenses. We will click on cell B16. Okay, go to the Home tab. In the number group, open number dialog box. Go to the custom and go to the general. Remove the general. In the inverted commas, we will type expenses. We will type expenses and close in inverted commas. So click on OK button. So custom number format will be applied on cell B16. Apply a custom number format to cell B17 to display operating income. Okay, we will click on cell B17 and go to the number format. In the number dialog box, go to the custom. Go to the general. We will remove this general from the box and enter inverted commas, and so we will type operating income. Operating income. Okay, and close inverted commas. So we will click on OK button. So the custom number format will be displayed on cell B17. Operating income. So question is completed now. I have done 8 questions of this exam in my video. Now I am going to do question number 9. Okay, insert a reference to the operating income from column B in cell B20. Okay, question is completed now. I have done 9 questions of this exam out of 18 questions. I have done 60-70% of this exam in my video. If you need help in this exam and if you want to do this exam from me, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And my WhatsApp and email are given in the description, and my WhatsApp number is shown at the bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp number. And we will deal for this complete my laboratory course, and I will do this exam for you with A plus grade, and I will do this complete my laboratory course for you with A plus grade. I will do your R simulation training with A plus grade. I will do your R simulation exam with A plus grade. I will do your cumulative assessment and capstone assessment with A plus grade, and final exam with A plus grade. So you can easily contact me and reach me out for your other courses help, like my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab math, calculus courses, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, writing courses, and many more online courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.